Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the future of Samsung's flagship line, specifically focusing on a feature that has defined the Ultra series, the S Pen. While the S25 Ultra is still on the horizon, the rumor mill is already churning about the S26 Ultra, and some of the whispers are pointing towards a massive evolution for our favorite stylus. So what could Samsung possibly be cooking up for the S Pen 2 years from now? Let's break it all down. For years, the S Pen has been the pinnacle of smartphone stylus technology. It's precise, packed with features like air actions, and seamlessly integrated into the phone's body. But let's be honest, for the average user, many of its advanced features can feel a bit niche. How many of us are really using our S Pen as a magic wand to control our camera from across the room on a daily basis? Samsung knows this, and it seems they're looking to make the S Pen more essential for everyone, not just power users and digital artists. The big buzzword circulating is intelligence. We're not just talking about minor software tweaks. We're talking about a potential hardware overhaul that could fundamentally change how we interact with the S Pen. One of the most exciting rumors is the integration of a small microphone directly into the S Pen itself. Now, hold on, I know what you're thinking, another microphone? But imagine the possibilities. You could be in a meeting or a lecture, jotting down notes on your screen, and with a simple click, the S Pen starts recording high-quality audio right from the source, automatically syncing it with your written notes. Think about it. You tap on a specific word you wrote, and it instantly plays back the audio from the moment you wrote it. This would be a game-changer for students, journalists, and anyone who takes notes and needs to recall the context of a conversation. It turns the S Pen from a simple writing tool into an intelligent, context-aware companion. This isn't just a far-fetched dream either. Samsung has filed patents that detail this exact kind of technology, describing a stylus with its own microphone and processing capabilities. This would allow for clearer audio capture than relying on the phone's built-in mics, which can be muffled or far away from the speaker. But the ambition doesn't stop there. Another patent suggests the S Pen could get its own camera. Yes, a tiny camera lens embedded in the stylus. This sounds like something straight out of a spy movie, but the practical applications are fascinating. Imagine pointing your S Pen at a block of text in a book and having it instantly digitized and pasted into your notes. Or pointing it at a foreign sign and getting an instant translation overlaid on your screen through augmented reality. It could also act as a microscopic color picker. Point the S Pen at any real-world object, a flower, a fabric, a painting, and instantly capture that exact color for use in your digital drawings or photo edits. This would elevate the S Pen from a mere input device to a powerful data capturing tool. It would bridge the gap between the physical and digital worlds in a way we've never seen before on a smartphone. These features would be powered by on-device AI, making them fast, efficient, and secure. Instead of relying solely on the phone's processor, a smarter S Pen could handle some of these tasks internally, leading to a more seamless experience. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility and engineering challenges. How would they fit a microphone, a camera, and a battery into such a slim device without compromising its feel or writing experience? And how would they handle charging? The current S Pen charges wirelessly inside the phone, but these new components would require more power. Perhaps we'll see a slightly thicker design, or maybe Samsung has a breakthrough in battery technology up its sleeve. While these changes are rumored for the S26 Ultra, it's a long way off and a lot can change. But it shows a clear direction for Samsung. They're not content with the S Pen being a passive accessory. They want to make it an active, intelligent partner in your daily life. It is a bold vision that could once again redefine what a smartphone can do and solidify the Ultra's position as the ultimate productivity powerhouse. What do you think of these potential new features? Would a microphone and camera in your S Pen be a game changer for you? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this look into the future, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech deep dives. I'll catch you in the next one.